So the second website I will show you where you get your client offline is finlip.com. finlip.com. In finlip, you have to select the country, the state and the category where you are looking for a job. So assuming I pick, let me click on education first. I would like to design on education first. Then let me click, let me see, where is it? Let me click on education first. Once you click on education and click on Lagos. Education in Lagos. So this is it now. Just make sure this is Adeni Ogunsanya College of Education. Right click on more info. See, just most of websites here, they don't have, most of people here, they don't have website for their services, for their schools or anything. Just have to look for who doesn't have a website, that so that you can contact them through your email, through their email, their phone number. Once you call them, explain what you want to offer for them. Let's check this one. Let's check this. Okay, they have websites. Let's check for another one. Nico NG Scholar. Let's check this. They also have. At times, let me see. At times, you can tell them you want to redesign their website for them. That okay, this website is not looking good, something like that. And you can see, this is just ordinary blog. This is ordinary blog. You just buy domain and hosting and install blog stuff. So you can tell them you can redesign it. Call them on phone that you want to help them to redesign them. They will just pay you for hosting and domain. From there, even if it's ordinary 20k you see from them, maybe you already have your hosting. Anytime you want to buy hosting, make sure you buy unlimited hosting so that you can create unlimited website on them. So anytime you somebody want to offer you a job to design a website for him or her, all what you just need is to buy domain only. So far you already have what's it called, unlimited hosting. See, you can even call this my person. This is their number. Just call them. Okay, I can help you to design your website. This is just call this number. I can help you to design your website free of charge. Or what you just buy me domain and hosting. I just want to help your clinical, something like that. So from then you can, even if it's just under 20k you see from them, at least you will survive. Let's see. You can look for other categories. Can you see this one now? See, Concord Education Consult. See, this is the best client for you, Concord Education Consult. How about you just call this number or make this email that okay, you are so, you base in so, you can help them to design their website. You just tell them, if you don't know what to send to them, I can send you a proposal you can send to them. I can send you a proposal you can send to them. Okay, you can offer them free website design for their company. That they will just collect hosting and domain money from them. You can even charge them 50,000 buy your domain and hosting. Even if you charge them 30,000 or 40,000, you see your own. So this is a good client for you. This is a good client for you. They don't have websites. So even if you just make sure you are coming to this site every day, people are uploading their website, their firm without having a website. So there now, just call this number, tell them you want to do something for them. You will offer them SEO, website design for free. Even if this person know what he's doing, just my brother, you help me to collect this social amount. From there, so far you have unlimited hosting already. If I want to design for this client now, I've already have my unlimited hosting. I will just buy domain 2,500 or 3,000 naira, and I starting design my website. Any amount I collect from him, I believe I will see something there. So let's look for another client if you can see another again. But this is the way I normally pick my own client. Even just if you pick from Ibadan, let's go. Let me go back. Let me pick Ibadan. Let me pick Ibadan. This is Ibadan now. Let me pick Ibadan. So which category you want to? Let's go for traveling. All this travel agency. Across the horizon. Let's see if it's a good claim for us. Okay, this one have your website. I believe you can design this. You can design something like this. There is nothing there. You can design something like this. So this is not a good claim for us, except the website is not looking good, so that we can redesign it. The website is okay. We try. Global link. I think they have. Can you see? They have, but they don't renew it. They have, or even we don't know. Maybe this is the fake domain. Just put a call them. Even where is Ifajuli Adamasigba? Very close. Even if it's not far from my house, call them. If they want to see you, I can go there. Global Interlink of Officer. So they are a traveling agency, but they don't have a website. So you get. Just call them. You want to design for free. You want to design for them for free. They will just let's see if you can design for us. You will not charge them high. Even if it's just ordinary 20k, you see from them. My brother, I'm on you. Brother, I'm on you. General gas, you really want here. Brother, I'm on you. Let's see if it's a good claim for us. Can you see? They also have their website Nachinko. See, a good client that you can design for, they just put rubbish on their website. Tell them you can design it better. Tell them you will design it better for them. So that's how I normally get my offline clients. I'll just put a call them. See, this now, even I live in LA, very close to my place. They are also a travel agent. They don't have website. I will just call this number now. Hello, good evening. This is Fikitech Global Enterprise. We are into website design, so like that. We offer, in this period of COVID-19, we offer free website design for our clients, free of charge. All what you have to do is to buy domain and hosting, and we can design. We can even show you a lot of websites we have designed. You just go to Google, pick like 5 to 10 websites. Okay, you are the one that you design it, so like this. They will offer you a job. They will offer, even if it's talking. That is how. If I broke like this, I will just go to finlip.com looking for client to design for. So that is how I normally see some clients. So I believe from this you can even start your website design journey. Meet me in the next video.